While things are still fresh in my memory, I want to show you how you can download a video using JDownloader. Now, a good friend of mine, an old school friend of mine from the same area, explained to me how you can use this. In fact, he showed me in a TeamViewer session how to go about it. So first of all, you need to download JDownloader, which exists for Windows, for Mac, or for Linux. I'm using Linux in this case. So after having downloaded this software, let me just minimize it, we need a video to download. Now, I chose a film here which is on RTL Play, which normally then if you watch it online doesn't allow you to record it for offline viewing. Basically what you need to do is you need to get the URL that this film displays once it's in playback mode. So you copy the URL, JDownloader. I restart it. Okay, we need to then say File, analyze the text. Now this is the URL we pasted in earlier on. We'll say continue and we let it crawl the website to retrieve each and every downloadable element, be it a button to push, a JPEG, a sound file, a movie file, video clip, etc. I'll let this run for a minute. So after having run for over 2 minutes, JDownloader came up with 800, almost 900 images, 156 video files and other documents. We're just interested in the we're just interested in the chunk list here. So we delete everything else that is not covered in the chunk list. And we're interested in the 360 resolution, which then we select, we right click and we say start downloads. Now we see here that the file is being downloaded. We see the progress at the top here. Okay, so the file has been downloaded. We can exit or minimize this window and we go to look for the file which sits inside the downloads folder, inside a folder called temp, and that's the document we just downloaded. We can rename it to our download. You give it a meaningful name, our download, and we can start viewing it, in this case with VLC Viewer. And the document now, if we reduce it a bit in size, we see then the document which is running and which is then viewable offline.